ma, però, invece, anzi, eppure, tuttavia, al contrario. In Italian they are called connettori avversativi. In fact, the role of these connectors is to put two sentences against each other. For example, io studio molto, però non passo l'esame. I study a lot, but I fail my exam. In this case, the connector ma is putting the two sentences sort of against each other, because there is sort of a contrast between studying a lot and not passing the exam. Galileo Galilei, an Italian physician studying the movement of the Earth, said in the past, "Eppur si muove, nevertheless it moves." He was referring to the Earth at the times where everyone believed that it's the sun that revolves around the Earth. And as always, enjoy learning Italian.